Justin Bieber spending his quarantine with Hailey Bieber. Justin Bieber at home. The crown epidemic has certainly strongly impacted the world. I think this has blocked international stars. Someone like Justin Bieber, the man from All Night, is isolated with his wife Hailey. He was reported to be in Justin's home country of Canada, although he was selected to live in Canada. On May 18, all borders between the United States and Canada were closed to ban any unnecessary travel. So when you have so many things in your spare time, have you ever wondered what celebrities will do right now? Well, here is a day during quarantine on Justin and Hailey. How do Justin and Hailey spend their time? Well, they are actually having the best time of their lives as a couple. It is as if they were spending their honeymoon again. A reliable source revealed that the two are grateful for the opportunity to invest in each other. Justin feels lucky and laced being sure to be with his beautiful wife Hailey. In this moment of epidemic and chaos, he certainly feels blessed to be with Hailey. Justin is having a good time with his wife, singing some songs and playing music. Furthermore, Justin also started working on some of his skills. Apparently, the pair has increased their TikTok game. Check it out here. Justin is also working on his crafts. Apart from this, you have also used time appropriately to train and exercise your body. Don't take this outbreak carelessly. This is a very serious problem worldwide. If you ever want to play the hero after watching fantasy series, this is your chance. Stay home and save the world.